We always hear about middlewares and filters when we talk about ASP Core Web APIs or MVC applications. In short, ASP applications in core. What are what are they used for? That's what we will see today. Middlewares are configured so that before you reach your controllers, if you want some actions to happen, you can use a middleware to do the same. And filters allow us to reach the destined destination only if they can pass through them. To understand them a little bit better, you can have a look on the filters that are being added right here. You can see that authorization is a filter. We could be adding authentication as a filter, and we could be adding other action filters and resource filters right here when we create an ASP core application. Now, when we and how it works. So first, our requests go through the middlewares. Routing is also a middleware as well. And then the action selection happens based on the invocation of the filters. Now, what are the type of filters that are available in ASP Core? The first and foremost would be the authorization filter. Now, if authorization filter fails, there's no point in proceeding any further. So the request bounces back saying that the user is not authorized or authenticated. Next would be the resource filter, where actually the resource getting filtered or changed or whatever there. And then the action filter. Action filter has two parts. One before the action method is invoked, one after the action method is invoked. Further to it is exception filters. And finally, the result filters. Now, why should we write them in filters and why not the logic in the action method itself? Let's say you want to authorize certain resource based on the user role. Now, you might have to repeat the code in multiple places. So instead, if you write one filter, it would save you time and you do not have to repeat the code in multiple places.